Welcome. Time to share a cup. My name is Joel Villafana. This is a Cup of Joe, and we are back for Cup of Joe Carnival. It's Caribbean Carnival. It's Carnival in TNT, and we'll be here for the entire season. You're hearing my voice? That's because it's Carnival in sweet TNT. Welcome. Hope you guys all around the region join us here for Carnival in sweet TNT sometime during the course of our season here. I am going to get your weekend off to a great start, and right away, as we start showing you some wonderful recipes, I did a little twist on a classic Italian salad. It's called a Caprese Salad. So it's a fancy name, Caprese Salad. For those of you who would have dined out in Italian restaurants, it really is very simple. It's mozzarella cheese, which I have some nice lovely slices here, tomatoes, with a little drizzle of some olive oil and balsamic vinegar, and it's nicely seasoned up and nice and pretty with some basil. I am putting a Great Foods twist on it because I'm using their salami. This salami, I just want to do a little quick saute. Nothing too much. I really just want a little sear on some of the slices. So for those of you who've been following the show, guys, I really love this salami. I use it a lot now, only because I can really maneuver and manage how thick what I want to do with the slices. So I got the idea to really use it in a caprese salad and call it a salami caprese salad. So I'm adding these lovely pieces of salami to the layers, I will layer it in a while to show you. Layering the salami slices with the mozzarella cheese and the tomatoes and the basil, and it will just make a wonderful meaty caprese salad. I can't wait. Very simple, nice little quick sear. Nothing too big. This takes very little time to cook. So that's all I really want, a nice sear on either side. I might probably just put 2 more here to get a little sear on that one. So yeah, guys, this here is I am challenging myself this season to do as many, if not all, the recipes I show you when I am behind the stove to make it carb free. I'm staying away from rice and flour and bread, and I'm trying my best to do that this season. So the recipes I'm doing gonna just challenge me to do things that you can try at home, especially if you want to just stay away. Drink Carnival, hey, everybody want to lose a pound or 2. So I in that kind of mood too. Thinking of playing masters, So, quick, nice sear, as I said, and that's ready to go. I can now start building my caprese salad. So this is, as I said, nice simple ingredients, but you can get real nice and fancy with it. The salad is built in layers. Now, depends on how you sometimes cut your ingredients. You can actually do this salad in a toss, cube up the tomatoes and cube up the mozzarella. I like this little sliced layer, and I'm going to show you how. I'm going to start with color, so I'm going to start with a lovely slice of tomato. That's followed by a slice of the mozzarella cheese. What I like to do, as I said, I like to play with the colors. It's Italian, so it's these lovely colors, white, red, and green. So what I like to do is probably just use a little bit of the mozzarella, the basil, just for a nice pop of color. So these boys may be a little hot still, and I just really want to take one here and one there, and then that pattern kind of continues. So I go 1 tomato. I probably can hit a nice, can get creative because, as I said, you eat with your eyes. Mozzarella. And then I go with my salami slices from Great Foods. These salami slices, as I said, you can use the ordinary salami slices that are already sliced for you. The reason is I could kind of get this in my the thickness that I want. And manipulate it how I want to manipulate it. So I could go for 1 more, guys. Just 1 here. A nice piece of mozzarella. Some basil. And just to finish it off, The finishing touch to this salad, guys, is olive oil and balsamic. Now you can do it separate. I like to kind of just put a little mix, probably a little salt and pepper. It's almost like you're making a little vinaigrette, or so to speak, kind of thing. And just as it is here, you drizzle kind of liberally. You see, you get a little bit of balsamic, a little bit of olive oil. Sprinkle some salt and pepper, and this is my salami caprese salad. Do try it, do enjoy. This is no hard maths, simple things that you can do with Great Foods Salami. My salami caprese salad to get things started on this wonderful Saturday morning. We like to get your weekend off to a great start, courtesy the folks at Great Foods. Let's take a short break. We have lots more to come. This is a big show. Lots of talk, lots of fun, lots of food, lots of friends. Come on back.